are linked from these color styles here. So you can, if you change any of these colors like this from here, it might affect some of the elements here. So you can do that if you want to change any of the colors that are linked to the color style. But the main primary colors, most of the colors used in these designs, you can find them in the color variables. So when you click outside the box, outside any of the design, don't select anything, then you come, that's where you see this. Come to the settings of the variables. Like this brand, this is the primary color, which is the background color. So changing anything here will affect the design itself, the background. So because that's what I used as the background. So yeah, and so on and so forth. Any of these colors here you change will affect the look of the design.